I'm Robbie Reisman with Heckler Koch, and we're at SHOT Show 2013. And what we have in front of us here today is the M27 Infantry Automatic Rifle. The HK416 with a 16.5-inch barrel, and this version is the Infantry Automatic Rifle, or the M27 by the Marine Corps. It's going to have a bayonet lug up front. The front and rear flip-up sights on it for 600 meter. Those will pop up and down. Normally there's going to be a squad day optic on it, which is going to look just like the optic you see here in the photo. It's got an 11-inch Picatinny rail system on it, quad rail, so you can put all your accessories on there, from the bipods to the vertical grip. We equipped this one with rails, rail covers, and that provides wire mitigation when you have a laser illuminator on there as well. All your selectors on the gun itself, basically like the M16A4 or the M4, so the ergonomics and the muscle memory will remain the same for the user. It's going to have an ambidextrous selector lever on here for left and right-handed users. The charging handle is ambidextrous reversible, so you can switch it from left to right depending on what handed shooter he is, and it is extended as well. The buttstock is 6 position. The buttstock will collapse and extend, and it's a non-snag design. And then he's got storage area inside the buttstock as well. Okay folks, that's it. That wraps up the M27 Infantry Automatic Rifle. For more information, visit Heckler & Koch's website, www.hk-usa.com.